This is a Hunter ACC2 conventional controller, and it's not working right now because Mother Nature decided it wanted to drop some lightning in the area and it fried out something in this controller. I've already figured out that something is the transformer, which is why I'm out here to replace it. But before I explain to you how easy it is to replace this transformer, let me explain to you how I figured out that it was the transformer giving me the problem. Every time I replaced the fuse inside of there, these fast-blowing fuses here, it would blow the fuse when I would turn on the power. So, to eliminate the possibility that it could be anything else in the controller, all I had to do was remove these 3 screws here, pull this power supply board out, and disconnect the 3 wires that connected to the back of it, specifically the one coming from the transformer. Now that I've done that, I've isolated whatever the issue might be to the transformer. I replaced the fuse, powered it back on, and it blew the fuse again. That tells me that there isn't a problem beyond the transformer causing this problem. The problem is probably in the transformer. So, without further ado, let me explain how to get the transformer out. You can already see it's already coming out because I've already done all the unscrewing for us. All you would have to do is unscrew these 4 screws with the power off, and then you can pull this whole transformer out and place a whole brand new transformer right in the hole there. Bada bing, bada boom. Tighten your 4 screws, connect your 3 wires, clip everything back together, and this controller should come up and run like it was supposed to. We'll see in about 5 minutes. With the back plane out of our way, we can now see the damage that the lightning caused, and it's right there. Luckily, this controller is totally rebuildable, so we're only going to replace the parts of the controller that were fried. And in this case, so far, it was this transformer. But now when I turn on the transformer connected to this board, I'm getting an orange error. And it's not connected to anything else, so I'm not sure why I'm getting that error other than the fact that maybe something's wrong with the circuitry on this board. Very easy way to test this is to turn the power back off right here at the switch, take another board, take that one out of the way, get our new board. Got some dust in one of the connectors. Connect our new board, and now we'll retest by turning the power on. And now we've got a green light. That tells me something is wrong with the circuitry on this board. I don't see anything burnt out on this board, so I'm not exactly sure what it was. Now with everything back in place, we can hit the power button, we get the green light, and we're built on innovation, baby. All right, I'm out of here.